You may be informed on what a digital marketing agency can do for your business, but let's dig into the nitty-gritty of choosing the right one. Now, it's a crucial decision, so you'll want to follow some best practices to make sure you're picking the perfect partner. Now, first things first, you'll need to assess your business needs. What's on your marketing wish list? Do you need web design, PPC, SEO, or some robust analytics? And take a hard look at your team too. They can handle the strategy, implementation, and optimization needed for an effective marketing game plan. All right, so you've got your needs sorted out. Now it's time to play detective. Check out the agency's online presence and reputation. Start by Googling them. You should see their website, their social pages, and their listing in directories. Dive into their social pages, especially LinkedIn and Facebook, and look at how often they post. Are they posting consistently? Is it professional? And they certainly get bonus points if they collaborate with other influencers in the space. Now, don't forget to read those reviews. Take a look at what their clients are saying, both the good and the not so good. And keep an eye out on if the agency responds to these reviews and tries to make things right. Now, let's get into the numbers game. The agency should be tracking certain key performance indicators or KPIs to ensure your marketing campaign is a hit. Now, these aren't just stats. They're milestones or targets and insights that give you a guide to your strategy. Now, take, for instance, unique visitors, measuring how many people hit your website in a specific time frame. It's a window into user behavior. Then there's time spent on your site. If it's an e-commerce store, this metric gauges product appeal. If it's a blog, it reflects the content quality. Now, identifying where your organic traffic comes from is golden. It tells you how and where you're getting your sales and how leads are moving through your sales funnel. Keep an eye on that bounce rate. It shows the percentage of visitors who leave your site quickly. A high bounce rate can mean that your content isn't hitting the mark. The cost per conversion is a vital metric to measure how much it costs to turn leads into customers. It's like peeking into your campaign's wallet. And finally, the click-through rate. It measures how often your ad gets clicked versus how many times it's shown. So there you have it, folks. When it comes to evaluating a digital marketing agency, remember to define your needs, check your online presence, and dive deep into those KPIs. It's all about finding that perfect match to boost your business. Now, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.